Okay, so we finished with filling the containers. Here's some of them. I have 3 out on another deck. They're not going to stay here. They are actually going to be moving back in this farther corner here. I have all of my medicinal and invasive plants surrounded by rocks so they can't go out of control. And I'm going to put all the containers back there in the snow, so as the snow melts. Today's actually a fairly warm day, but it's not typically like this. So all of these containers are going to go back there in the snow. As the temperature fluctuates, they're going to get used to the outside weather. So what did we actually end up planting in the containers? I didn't have enough containers to do everything that I wanted to do, which is actually a good thing, because what I have left, I'm going to start inside under some lights, and we will see which plants are actually stronger and grow faster. So what did we actually get planted in my containers? We did narrow leaf plantain, wild roses, feverfew, purple butterfly bush, blue mealy cup sage, wormwood, catnip, horehound, oxeye daisy, thyme, hawthorn, anise hyssop, yarrow, crimson clover, purple prairie clover, German chamomile, and pink dandelion. Now the 2 kinds of clover I actually just combined into one and just mixed them all together because I like it. I think it's really pretty when all the clover grows together. And that will be going somewhere else where there's already some clover growing so that it can spread out. So I like to have a variety of different clover. So that's what we have sown in our containers, and what we are supposed to do is just leave them. I'm actually going to take the caps off of them today just so the cold air and some moisture can get into them, and if I notice it's going to snow or become really heavy, I am going to put the containers back, the lids back on, except for these little tiny containers here. I will leave those on, but they have holes in the top so that moisture can get into them and moisture can get out just fine. So that is that, and I cannot wait to show you the progress in a couple of weeks.